Money management is a skill, and in today's fast-paced world, it's one that's wholly necessary for financial success. Many people feel uncomfortable talking about finances. It may feel too personal, overly intimidating, or culturally taboo. But developing a professional relationship with a financial advisor can help you better understand your finances and make plans for the future. Along with valuable advice, they can also help to figure out our savings strategies, investment options, and overall retirement plan, which takes a big burden off our heads. Let us see some of the benefits of working with an advisor. Fairness in information. Product is advised and not sold. When an executive of a bank or financial institution offers you advice, most of the time he's trying to sell you some product. By not working for any broker or financial institution, the only interest of a financial advisor is to find the product or plan that most benefits their client, always taking into account their specific characteristics, objectives, and level of risk that is willing to take. He knows that his success depends on the success of his client and that the best reference of his work is a satisfied client. Another advantage of the financial advisor is that by not being employed by a financial institution, he is not bound to sell any specific product. He can perform a complete and detailed analysis of the alternatives that exist in the market, which will add value to clients' portfolio. Getting expert advice, you save time and money. If you are a do-it-yourself investor and manage investments on your own, then you have to go through a lot of hassle as you have to track the investments on a regular basis, monitor the markets, and watch out for all possible risks. It makes you a jack of all trades but master of none. But if you find it too much of work, then outsourcing your personal finance management to advisor makes a lot of sense. You can then concentrate on your daily schedule without having to worry about the fluctuation of the markets. Example, even if you put 1 to 2 hours a day, which makes it roughly 365 to 730 hours a year, it is equal to 15 to 30 days. And if you earn 1 lakh per month, then you are almost investing 50k to 1 lakh every year in managing your personal finance. Professional review of goals and investments gives clarity about your financial goals. A financial advisor will spend the time to understand your needs and aspirations and prepare a financial plan to achieve them in the best possible way. Based on your risk profiling and goals, proper asset allocation can be done across various asset classes. Financial advisor, through his knowledge, can build confidence in you to gradually get comfortable to investing across different asset classes like equity, debt, etc. Their experience and hand-holding throughout your investment journey will surely add value to it. For example, you might be having a 1 lakh monthly surplus with you, but when you are making the investments on your own, you might end up investing only 5k per month in SIP. This could be due to lack of clarity about the optimal amount to be invested for achieving the goal. Proper asset allocation gives the right mix across asset classes. During our lifetime, we continue to accumulate various assets. But most of us are not even aware of what is the proper asset allocation that one must follow while acquiring assets. Majority of the investors consider investing into real estate under the assumption that money will not be lost over there. But in case of emergency, liquidity of real estate assets might be a big issue. Example, in case you have a real estate asset worth 1 crore and you want 20 lakhs for an emergency, then it is not possible to sell partial units of real estate asset. Like you cannot sell the kitchen or bedroom partially for 20 lakhs. Hence, it is very important to diversify your asset across various asset classes like equity, debt, gold, global funds, etc. Continuous tracking and rebalancing manages the weightage across asset class dynamically. Starting your investment journey as per your financial plan is just a beginning. The real advantage of having a financial advisor comes from ongoing reviews, periodic rebalancing of the portfolio, and taking corrective actions on the portfolio based on life changes. goal modifications, fund performance, etc. Example: suppose you get some additional bonus in a particular year and you are unsure about the use of funds. A financial advisor can help you in adding that money to appropriate assets based on its attractiveness at that point in time. Like sometimes equities can be attractive or gold or debt can be attractive, so the advisor can help you to allocate your funds to the best asset at that point in time. Example: suppose equity market is trading at high valuations, then your advisor might ask you to cut down some equity exposure in the portfolio. Similarly, if equity markets fall, then your advisor might ask you to increase your allocation to equity. Full-time professional imparts knowledge with his experience and qualifications. A financial advisor who is a full-time professional will offer you a wealth of training, knowledge, qualifications, and experience that is difficult or impossible to achieve yourself. It's always good to take the effort to ensure you are as informed as possible, but for a financial advisor, that is their job. Their training starts with a suitable university degree. They will have been through many industry training programs and qualifications. They maintain their competency and knowledge by keeping up with the latest developments in the markets, investment opportunities, taxation, and law. On top of that, a financial advisor will have years or even decades of experience of working in a financial institution. A good financial advisor is one that comes recommended by word of mouth. That experience and referral are often hard-won, and it is impossible to place a value on it.
So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe for more investment related videos.